What's up, guys? What's up? We're back again with another video. It's OTM week, crunch time. We on a busy schedule. We're getting the hot side redone on this one right now. My boy Rafa over there redoing the hot side. And after that, we're gonna change the oil, change the plug. We're gonna put the new belt on. We already put the new pulley. We're gonna take an extra belt just in case of shootout. You never know. Over here, you can see the new pulley. As you can see, the new pulley is installed. So we should have no more problems. We're putting aftermarket pulley in there now. We got one from Summit. It's installed already. My boy Rafa right now working on the hot side. So it's crunch time. This one's ready. I mean, it's just to put on the belt, do the oil change, spark plugs, and my boy Rafa about to put the hot side on. And then, alright, we on crunch time with the black truck as well. We just took off the 10-bolt differential. We put in a 14-bolt with true track and new gears, all new bearings and everything. So that was good. We're installing the cost tracks as well. Then come over here. My boy Rafa got down on the turbo kit with this one too. Brand new turbo kit. Everything brand new, quality work. Nothing but the best. Complete new hot side, complete new cold side, custom intercooler, custom downpipe right here through the bumper. So yeah, this one, we're about to do the fuel system on it. Put injectors, lines, regulator. Brand new transmission we got on the table already. We're rebuilding it. We're gonna put a new converter on it, and we just put the 14-bolt, and we're installing the contract right now. And she should be ready to go. 3 pumps in the tank, and we're gonna try to get ready by today in the afternoon so we can take it and get tuned tomorrow. Since tomorrow is Friday and the event is on Saturday, so we on crunch time right now. Got the 4 lady right here, the one we put in for the black truck. We're gonna use McLeod stage 2 clutches, hardened input shaft, upgraded sprags, Sonics no lockout, case bushing, all new bushings on the motors and everything. It's gonna be a good unit. It should be good like for around 1,000 horsepower, 1,100. We're gonna keep that truck kind of low on boost. We're gonna keep it like around 18 to 20 pounds. We're not really gonna turn it up. It is an aluminum block, so we're trying to keep it all in one piece. But yeah, it should be good. Tomorrow I will be doing another video for the dyno, and we're just gonna show you on this video what we're doing today. My cousin Tavo, Sada. We got the new converter for the black truck right here. We went with a Yank converter. We're gonna try it out, see how it works. It's a Pro Series. We also got Freddy's Lightning right here on the lift. We're waiting for a couple parts for the transmission. We ordered a couple new hard parts for it because his unit was kind of bad. So we're gonna go ahead and rebuild the whole thing from scratch. Alright, so what are you saying?
Push the power button down till the screen turns black.
Okay.
And then keep holding it down for 15 seconds.
I did that yesterday.
Did you?
Y se quedó así como quiera. Yeah, I tried that también. I was like, oh, let me see if it will do a reset, pero no.
Yeah, it will.
Okay,
Nomás
okay.
púchala till it turns black. Ya
bueno.
cuando se ponga todo negro, an additional 15 seconds con el botón apagado.
Okay, ya está.
Y luego ya, take your finger off y luego ya reboot it.
Está bueno. So right here with the 14-bolt unit, it's an Eden true track. We're getting everything assembled. And we are gonna be putting the 1320 brake, 15-inch conversion brake kit. We're gonna go buy that right now. And yeah, like I said, guys, we're in crunch time right now. Estamos aquí, compadre.
Ahí va. A completo grabando.
Sí. No se panique, no se eche de la cámara.
No.
Porque luego también vamos a hacer un video ya con ustedes cuando le debemos hacer también. Ese sí vamos a grabar todo ahí lo que va a hacer.
Está bueno. Ya está listo.
Like I said, guys, my boy Rafa getting down on the hot side right now. This is my old kit. He's just repairing it because it was kind of done kind of shitty, and you know, it's been messing up on me a lot. So he's just doing like a little patch job right now for Saturday, And next week, after the event, the maroon truck is going to him. He's gonna do a whole new custom kit on it. So guys, this truck, we didn't know what to do with it, but we finally decided what we to do. And this is gonna be our all-out race truck. We're gonna gut the whole truck, take off the AC, take everything off, and we're gonna do a custom twin turbo kit on this truck with a big motor. And this is gonna be our trailer truck. We're gonna go all out on this one. My boy Rafa's gonna do a custom twin turbo kit on this one as well. Maestro aquí durmiéndose. Hoy. My boy Mandizi in the house. Guys, look at the quality of this turbo kit. It doesn't get much better than this. This is quality turbo kit right here. We're gonna see if we can get it started by today, by the end of the day, if not tomorrow morning.
¿Es el computer working? Está ganando, güey. Está viendo. Y esa es la
Salud, negro. No. ¿Cómo dijiste la pasada? ¿Cómo dijiste la pasada? Arriba lo de San Fernando. We have a couple of built 460s ready to go. We also have a couple of stock rebuild ones. If y'all ever looking for one, we try to keep them in stock, but they go kind of fast. This week we had like 8 at the beginning of the week, and we got 4 left right now. The ones we have in stock ready to go, those are only for pickup, not installed. If you want a transmission installed, you have to drop off your vehicle, of course. But yeah, if you ever need a built 460 to go and then you're in rush of one and need one to go, we have them. We try to keep them in stock or performance built. We also have 6L80s ready to go as well. If you ever need a 6L80. We also have a 700 ready to go. We have a built 480 ready to go as well. We got my boy El Bañao in the house. ¿Qué está haciendo, güey?
tuneándola.
Oh, it's a beautiful day out here in Texas, Pasadena, Texas. The weather's just perfect. It's around 68 degrees. It's windy. It feels good outside, fresh. I wish Texas was like this every day. Guys, if you're in the Houston area and y'all have not tried the Capitan, ceviche en clamatos is aguachiles. They're fire as fuck. Y'all are missing out. Shout out to my boy F Capitan. A ver, ¿cómo le hace el bañado? A ver, ¿cómo? De 1 al 10, ¿qué le das? ¿Qué fue, güey?
Oh, si pican, güey.
Man, I honestly feel bad for this truck. I don't pay no attention to it. It still got plates from last year. I pay no attention to it. It's just, well, it's not going the ways because it's inside the shop, so I mean, but you know. Just a little update on my C10. I am going to be doing a full vlog on the truck, but just so y'all can see how it's coming out.
Negro, pásame una agarra de ahí de la lente sea.
So I can stay tuned for this build. It's gonna come out sick, guys.
Ay, no va a salir.
We outside. Christian, what you sipping on, Christian?
Pásame la cajita esa, no, roja, ¿no?
Mira, wey. Putting in OT. Ya va bajo control. Hey guys, y'all know shit gets real when the sun goes down. And they start pulling up with the big boy shit. Ya vaya, déjame te lo vamos a mamar.
No.
No.
Dale, va, muchacho.
Para que no sean idiotas.
Si tiene empaques.
Ahí se trae.
Sí, trae. ¿Cómo lo quieres?